Welcome to Trendlab by Amanda. In today's video, we're diving into the top 10 fitness tips for a healthier body. Staying fit is crucial for overall well-being, especially as we navigate the demands of everyday life. These tips are based on the latest research and can help you maintain a healthy lifestyle, improve your fitness level, and enhance your quality of life. So, let's get started. Number 1. Stay hydrated. First and foremost, staying hydrated is essential. Water plays a vital role in nearly every function of the body, including digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. Studies show that even mild dehydration can lead to fatigue, decreased performance, and cognitive issues. Aim for at least 8 glasses, 64 ounces, of water a day. If you're active, increase your intake. Incorporating water-rich foods like cucumbers, oranges, and watermelon can also contribute to your hydration goals. Remember, staying hydrated not only boosts your physical performance, but also supports your mental clarity. Number 2. Incorporate strength training. Incorporating resistance exercises into your routine is crucial for maintaining muscle mass, which naturally declines with age. Research indicates that strength training can boost metabolism, enhance bone density, and improve balance, reducing the risk of falls. Aim for at least 2 strength training sessions per week, targeting all major muscle groups. You can use weights, resistance bands, or even bodyweight exercises like push-ups and squats. Start with lighter weights and gradually increase as you build strength. Number 3. Prioritize sleep. Sleep is often overlooked, but is vital for overall health. Poor sleep can lead to a myriad of health issues, including weight gain, weakened immunity, and decreased cognitive function. Research suggests that adults need between 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a bedtime routine, keep your sleep environment dark and cool, and limit screen time before bed. Prioritizing sleep helps your body recover and perform better during workouts, leading to greater fitness gains over time. Number 4. Include cardiovascular exercise. Cardiovascular exercise is essential for heart health and overall fitness. It helps improve lung capacity, boosts metabolism, and promotes better circulation. According to the CDC, adults should engage in at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity each week. Find activities you enjoy, be it dancing, swimming, or brisk walking, to make it easier to stick with it. You can break it down into manageable sessions, like 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week. Number 5. Practice mindfulness and stress management. Stress management is key to maintaining a healthy body. Chronic stress can lead to weight gain, high blood pressure, and various health issues. Mindfulness practices such as meditation, yoga, or even deep breathing exercises can help reduce stress and improve mental well-being. Set aside time each day to engage in mindfulness activities. Even a few minutes of meditation can significantly impact your stress levels and overall health. Research has shown that incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine can lead to improved emotional resilience and better physical health. If you're finding these tips helpful, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Also, share your favorite fitness tip in the comments below. Let's inspire each other on our fitness journeys. Number 6. Set realistic goals. Setting realistic fitness goals is crucial for long-term success. Having clear, achievable objectives helps keep you motivated and focused. According to the SMART criteria, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, goal setting can significantly improve your chances of success. Instead of vague goals like get fit, aim for specific targets such as exercise for 30 minutes 5 times a week. Break larger goals into smaller milestones to track your progress and celebrate your achievements along the way. Number 7. Stay consistent. Consistency is the key to achieving and maintaining a healthier body. It's not about perfection, it's about making fitness a regular part of your life. Research shows that consistency in physical activity leads to better results and healthier habits. Create a weekly schedule for workouts, just as you would for any other important commitment. Find a workout buddy or join a class to help keep you accountable. Remember, even small, consistent actions lead to significant changes over time. Number 8. Mix it up. Variety in your fitness routine can prevent boredom and keep you motivated. Engaging in different activities not only works different muscle groups, but also reduces the risk of injury. Research suggests that cross-training can enhance overall performance and keep you mentally engaged. Incorporate a mix of cardio, strength training, flexibility exercises, and recreational activities into your routine. Try new classes, outdoor activities, or sports to keep things exciting and challenging. Number 9. Nutrition matters. What you eat plays a significant role in your fitness journey. A balanced diet provides the necessary nutrients for energy, recovery, and overall health. Studies indicate that focusing on whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can lead to better health outcomes. Aim to fill your plate with a variety of colorful foods to ensure you're getting a range of nutrients. Meal prepping can help you stay on track and make healthier choices throughout the week. Number 10. Listen to your body. Lastly, it's crucial to listen to your body. Pushing through pain or fatigue can lead to injuries and setbacks. Research emphasizes the importance of tuning into your body's signals and adjusting your routine as needed. If you feel pain, take a break and allow your body to recover. Consult a healthcare provider if you experience persistent discomfort. Remember, fitness is a lifelong journey, and taking care of your body is essential for long-term success. As we wrap up our top 10 fitness tips for a healthier body, let's take a moment to summarize how you can easily incorporate these tips into your daily routine and the benefits they offer. 1. Hydration. Start your day with a glass of water and keep a refillable bottle with you. 2. Strength training. Set aside 2 days a week for strength exercises. You can start with basic bodyweight movements at home or use resistance bands. 3. Quality sleep. Establish a bedtime routine that allows you to wind down. 4. Cardio workouts. Incorporate at least 150 minutes of aerobic exercise into your week. 5. Mindfulness practices. Dedicate 10 minutes each day for mindfulness exercises. Whether it's meditation, yoga, or simply deep breathing, these practices can significantly reduce stress and improve your mental health. 6. Goal setting. Write down your fitness goals. Break them into smaller, achievable tasks to keep yourself motivated and track your progress effectively. 7. Consistency. Make fitness a habit. Schedule your workouts like you would any important meeting, and stay committed to your health journey. 8. Variety in workouts. Mix different types of exercises to prevent boredom and work different muscle groups. This not only keeps things exciting, but also helps you stay injury-free. 9. Nutrition. Prioritize whole foods in your meals. Preparing healthy meals in advance will save time and help you stick to your nutritional goals. 10. Listening to your body. Always pay attention to how you feel. If something doesn't feel right, take a break or consult a professional. This will help you avoid injuries and make your fitness journey sustainable. By integrating these tips into your daily life, you're not just working towards a healthier body, but also enhancing your overall quality of life. Remember, it's about making small, consistent changes that lead to lasting results. Thank you for joining us today on Trendlab by Amanda. We hope these top 10 fitness tips for a healthier body inspire you to prioritize your health and well-being. Remember, it's not just about working out, it's about creating a sustainable lifestyle that keeps you feeling your best. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe for more great content. Stay active, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.